Moo'sMurphy. Sorry for my awkward voice. So this is the living room. It's a little messy right now because we're all back and forth with quarantine. This is bedroom number 1. Closet. This is bedroom number 2. The closet in the corner. And there's also this little alcove area back here. This is bedroom number 3. This one is definitely the biggest bedroom with a double closet. This is the bathroom. Pretty standard. This is the kitchen. So all new appliances, dishwasher. We also have a pretty big food pantry in there. And then this is the second door, which leads down to the basement, which is where the washer and dryer are. And then we have access to our back deck, and down below, access to the backyard, which is shared with the apartment units. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.